Let's talk about acid reflux. Acid reflux, a condition that affects millions of people worldwide, causing heartburn, indigestion, and discomfort. If you're one of the many who have tried various medications and lifestyle changes without success, then you understand the frustration and discomfort all too well. But today we're exploring a different approach. We're diving deep into the world of natural remedies for acid reflux, uncovering the hidden gems that could transform your life. So get ready to say goodbye to the discomfort and hello to a more comfortable and enjoyable life. Because today we're embarking on a journey into the world of natural acid reflux treatments. But before we dive into the ways to treat it, let's try to understand what acid reflux is. Acid reflux is caused by a combination of factors such as a weakened lower esophageal sphincter or LES, which is the muscle that separates the esophagus from the stomach. When this muscle becomes weak or relaxes inappropriately, it allows stomach acid and other digestive juices to flow back up into the esophagus, causing irritation and inflammation. Other contributing factors may include a hiatal hernia, which is when the upper part of the stomach bulges through the diaphragm, obesity, smoking, alcohol, and caffeine. That's why it's important to identify and address these factors to prevent and treat acid reflux symptoms. And here is the list of 5 most useful ways to do it. Number 5. Vitamin D. Do you suffer from acid reflux and its unpleasant symptoms such as heartburn, chest pain, and difficulty swallowing? If so, you are not alone. Millions of people worldwide experience this uncomfortable condition, which occurs when stomach acid flows back up into the esophagus. While many people turn to medications to alleviate these symptoms, research has shown that vitamin D may also be beneficial in reducing acid reflux. Vitamin D is essential for maintaining healthy bones and teeth. However, recent studies have suggested that it may also play a role in reducing inflammation in the body, including inflammation that occurs in the esophagus during acid reflux. So how can you increase your vitamin D intake to help treat acid reflux? One of the most effective ways is to spend more time in the sun. Your skin produces vitamin D when exposed to the sun, so aim to spend at least 15 to 20 minutes outside each day. You can also incorporate vitamin D-rich foods into your diet, such as fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel, and fortified foods like milk and cereal. The possibility that a vitamin D deficiency may raise your risk of acid reflux is another aspect that might encourage you to choose vitamin D. That's why vitamin D may be useful for avoiding acid reflux by lowering esophageal inflammation. Number 4. Vitamin B12. The most effective supplement to halt acid reflux by addressing the cause is by far vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy nervous system and producing red blood cells. But do you know how it can also help alleviate acid reflux symptoms? Well, some data claims that a deficiency in vitamin B12 can contribute to acid reflux, as it weakens LES. By increasing your intake of vitamin B12, you can strengthen the LES and reduce the likelihood of acid reflux. Besides that, vitamin B12 supports healthy digestion and nutrition absorption, which can contribute to reducing the symptoms of acid reflux. While there is still limited research on the direct link between vitamin B12 and acid reflux, it is believed that a deficiency in vitamin B12 can exacerbate acid reflux symptoms. But if you still would consider taking this supplement, the National Institutes of Health recommended daily intake of vitamin B12 for adults is 2.4 micrograms per day. It is important to note that vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal-based products such as meat, fish, eggs, and dairy, making it more challenging for individuals following a plant-based diet to get adequate levels of this vitamin. Number 3. Magnesium. Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in many bodily functions, including nerve and muscle function, blood sugar regulation, and bone health. Like vitamin B12 or vitamin D, magnesium helps regulate the function of the lower esophageal sphincter. When the LES is weak or relaxed, it can allow stomach acid to reflux into the esophagus, leading to symptoms such as heartburn and indigestion. By supporting the proper function of the LES, magnesium may help reduce the frequency and severity of acid reflux symptoms. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Research in Medical Sciences found that magnesium supplementation significantly reduced the frequency and duration of acid reflux symptoms in patients with GERD. Additionally, research has shown that magnesium-rich foods such as leafy greens, nuts, and seeds may also help improve symptoms of acid reflux. While more research is needed to fully understand the effects of magnesium on acid reflux, incorporating magnesium-rich foods into your diet or taking magnesium supplements may be a natural and effective way to support digestive health and alleviate symptoms of acid reflux. Before we move to the next natural way to treat acid reflux, share in the comment section what other natural tips worked for you. And if you tried any of these 3, make sure to like this video. Right? Let's continue with a list. Number 2, zinc. Let's talk about zinc, one of the essential minerals that is often overlooked in our diets. Zinc has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including aiding in the treatment of acid reflux. Zinc plays a crucial role in our body's ability to digest food and absorb nutrients, which can be especially important for those suffering from acid reflux. But picture this. You're sitting down to a delicious meal, but instead of enjoying it, you're dreading the onset of painful heartburn and reflux. This is a common experience for many people with acid reflux, but it doesn't have to be. By incorporating more zinc-rich foods into your diet, you can help alleviate the symptoms of acid reflux and enjoy your meals again. It is believed that zinc effectively inhibits gastric acid secretion, which provides a new prolonged therapy for those who suffer from overproduction of acid-associated disorders such as heartburn and gastric acid reflux. It also helps to support the immune system, which can be weakened in those with chronic acid reflux. So if you are tired of suffering from acid reflux and heartburn, try adding more zinc-rich foods to your diet. Oysters, beef, and pumpkin seeds are just a few examples of foods that are high in zinc. Number 1, fiber. Of all the natural ways to treat acid reflux, increasing fiber intake may be the most important. Fiber works in 2 important ways. First, it helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating and the subsequent pressure on your stomach. Second, fiber helps to regulate your digestive system, keeping things moving along smoothly and preventing backup in your esophagus. But fiber is more than just a boring supplement or bland food. It comes in a variety of delicious forms. From crunchy apples and sweet berries to hearty whole grains and nutty legumes. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can not only improve your acid reflux symptoms, but also enjoy a more vibrant and nutritious way of eating. As you can tell, there are several natural ways to treat acid reflux and its symptoms, and incorporating these methods into your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your digestive health. But if you feel that your diet is not lacking some essential nutrients, perhaps adding quinoa into your diet might help. I would strongly suggest clicking on this video to understand why these benefits of quinoa can help with your stomach problems that you have.